How to check the balance on a Visa gift card. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to assist you today. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So in order to check the balance on a Visa gift card, simply turn over your Visa gift card where there is a toll-free number. Simply call on that and then a customer service representative will answer your call and simply give them your details and ask them how much balance do you have left on your Visa card. Next, what you can do is go to your preferred browser and search for Visa gift card. Tap on this, scroll all the way down, and here you can see need to check your gift card balance option. If you do not like the phone calls, this option is suitable for you. Tap on learn how to check balance. Here it is also said the same thing. You can do it by entering your card's 16-digit number and security code. Select which Visa card you have. For example, I am selecting this, and then simply enter your 16-digit card number, expiration date and CVV. Then simply tap on continue and it will show your balance on your Visa card. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.